Whatever the weather, it is always good to see the safe return to port of one of Britain's 6,500 strong fishing fleet. But when the boats come in, it's just the start of the journey, from port to plate, for 700,000 tonnes of fish that every year is distributed across the UK. Food waste is a big problem, so at sea, great care has already been taken to ensure that the day's catch arrives as fresh as when it left the sea. And the same meticulous care is taken at our fish farms, which are an increasingly important source of UK fish. Once landed, it's time to ensure the fish is properly prepared and packed in perfect shape for the next leg of the journey. Whether the destination is a fine dining restaurant, the fish counter at your local supermarket, or one of our valuable export markets, this is where we introduce you to the humble, hardly ever thought of, expanded polystyrene fish box. It's made from sterile, inert, expanded polystyrene, and it's the best solution to food waste because it gets our fish and seafood products from quayside to kitchen, fresh and in one piece. 22 million tough and durable fish boxes are used every year in the UK alone to protect fish worth £900 million. They are approved for food contact and so, not surprisingly, have long been the preferred global solution for the transport of fresh fish. Packed with ice and the day's valuable catch, EPS fish boxes offer outstanding insulation, preventing waste and protecting against the long journey and outdoor temperature changes, helping ensure today's fresh fish arrives cool and safe. In fact, independently assessed tests across Europe by Ecobalon and PricewaterhouseCoopers Consulting reveal that EPS is a competitive and sustainable packaging material for fresh fish with similar or even better results than the investigated alternative materials. So the science really does back up the claim that they're the ideal fish transit solution. But EPS fish boxes offer other outstanding qualities too. They are extremely tough, they're lightweight, and they're very easily stacked. In fact, their clever design means stable and safe stacking whether they're empty or packed with fish. And this can result in big savings in warehouse space. The honeycomb cells of the polystyrene also provide outstanding protection against impacts, knocks and bumps, all of which means our fish and seafood will arrive not only fresh, but free from costly damage. EPS fish boxes are also used to display fish at its best, in the wholesale market, or even at the fish counter where they act as a reassurance that the catch has been carefully and safely transported all the way from being landed. For professional chefs, the arrival of the EPS fish box is a particularly welcome sight. It means the quality and safety of fish will not have been compromised before the final dish is prepared. But the story doesn't end there. We now live in a world which cares more than ever about the environment, and we need to be sure that the resources we use actually reduce carbon impacts, that they can be reused or recycled and cause minimal environmental damage during their lifetime. Well, here is another plus for EPS. Not only is it 98% air, it is made in some of the world's most modern, environmentally certificated factories. It doesn't use CFCs and has minimal transport and storage impacts. The latest life cycle analyses demonstrate all of this beyond a doubt. Even when they've served their primary purpose, old EPS boxes promise a great opportunity for a second useful life. There are many systems and processes where EPS can be collected, compacted and turned into something useful. Into durable, long-life products such as park benches, outside seating and decking, meaning EPS is a great choice for the environment too. However you like your fish, you may not have given much thought in the past to the humble white EPS fish box. But now we hope you can see it's a simple and extremely valuable part of our traditional fish and seafood heritage, and a great way to eliminate waste. If you want to learn more, please visit our website at www.fishboxes.info.